Old school isn't always cool. Hi, my name is Michelangelo Mortellaro with Mortellaro Law. I recently went to a statewide kind of convention of probate lawyers. Think about how fun that was for 3 days. But I go there to kind of learn new things and meet and commingle with our colleagues in the industry. And I always find it interesting that you can kind of tell the difference in kind of the old guard versus the up-and-comers. And even though I've been doing this 15 years, I still consider myself an up-and-comer, certainly compared to some attorneys that have been doing this for, 40, 50 years. When it comes to probate and the avoidance of probate, I'm always astounded by the old guard's mentality that every estate should go through probate and that you should never use tools and techniques to help avoid probate. And I'm sitting there thinking like, guys, are you serious? Like, you're talking to me here. You're talking to other attorneys that really know the rules. And you're advocating even to us that every estate should go through probate and that's the way it should happen. And I'm here to tell you guys, maybe that's the way it used to happen, but the attorneys are the only ones making out in that dynamic. Is that every estate's going to go through probate. You're going to have attorney's fees, court costs, filing fees, publication fees, bond, paralegal fees. All of those are incredibly inefficient. And I've yet to meet a old school attorney that can explain to me why it is in the client's best interest to go through probate and take all of the money away from their beneficiaries and all of the time and energy expended on the process. Why is it in their best interest? Why can't we avoid the process, avoid the inefficiency, get the stuff that you have worked for so long, for your whole life, and get more of it to the people that you care about the most in the most efficient way possible without going through the system, without having attorneys involved, and without wasting time and money. Every dollar that gets gobbled up in the process of probate is a dollar less that your family gets. So I'll have more videos on this subject coming up, but I encourage you to think about that. And if you already have an estate plan, it was done by an attorney and the attorney told you, oh, you don't need a trust. Trusts are for millionaires, or this is just the way that we do it. There are a lot of attorneys, in my humble opinion, that are somewhat self-serving, which is why the industry sometimes has not such a great reputation. And attorneys know that if they put you into an estate plan that is going to require probate, they have about a 95% chance of picking up the probate work, which is additional fees and costs down the road. So they charge you now to do an estate plan, and they're going to charge your estate later to get it through probate. Why pay two fees when you can pay one, create efficiency, and have a plan that works better for you and your family and not your attorney? If you have any questions about this and would like to have a free consultation and a free review of your existing plan, if you have one, please feel free to call us. I'm happy to sit with you and explain how efficiency is always the best policy when it comes to your money. Thank you so much and have a great day.